So we'll just get on with this. I'll have it done in, I don't know, half an hour or so, and then hopefully we can have a listen to what's on these tapes. The one that I'm putting in now is the one that had a number written on the label. I've put this in second, so if there is anything on this one, we'll be able to hear it, but I suspect, unfortunately, these might have just all been bulky raised. If there's anything on here, we'll find it. Let's have a listen.
Missing 0714, missing 0714, missing 0714, missing 0714, missing 07. I'm surprises. Missing 0714, missing 07.
Right, well, it turns out that all the tapes had a recording on them.